Good morning, class 4. We were reading page number 24. In the previous class, we have seen Grandma says and fact aunt on this page, and Ria wants to know which is your homework. So, I hope that you all have done your homework. Now in this class we are going to read some other means of recreation. So students, open page number 24 in your EVS book and keep a pencil with you to underline hard words. So here I am going to read some other means of recreation. Means medium. So here first we are going to read about kite flying. Here you can see images of kite flying. Do you like to fly a kite? Kite flying is a popular means of recreation in India. People fly kites especially on festivals like Makar Sankranti and Independence Day. So here we have understood that kite flying is a good medium to spend free time or to spend vacation. In our country, people fly kites on some festivals like Makar Sankranti and Independence Day. Now the fact aunt. The Chinese used kites to send and receive messages in earlier days. Chinese means people of China. So, in fact, we studied that in ancient times, people of China used to fly kites to take or send messages, to receive or send messages. Now here we are going to read about circus. Circus is an old and popular means of recreation. A large number of performers that include clowns, trapeze artists and acrobat perform to entertain the audience. So here students, you have to underline some words. Performance means who can perform a play. Clowns means jack of a circus. Trapeze means a horizontal bar hanging by two ropes. Acrobats, rope drive or rope dancer. Entertain means enjoyable. Audience means viewer. Okay, so from this paragraph we have understood that circus is a very old and very famous medium of recreation. A lot of individuals participate in the circus include clowns, trapeze artists and acrobats to enjoyment or entertainment of viewers. Is that clear, students? Now here Ria wants to know. This is your another homework. So you have to tell, have you ever been to a circus? If your answer yes, so tick. So you have to tick on yes. And if your answer is no, so you have to tick on no. Now the second question. Whose act did you like the best? If you have ever been to the circus, whose work did you like the most? So here you have to tell. This is your homework. In the next class, so that's all for today students. In the next class we will study about fair. So thank you class.